This is my yacht air con. I cannot switch it on because I lost this aircon remote control. Now I'm looking for this remote control to replace it. I found a universal remote control for my yacht aircon. The brand YORK. The brand is listed here. And this universal remote control compatible with many brands. This is all the list of the brand. Yeah. Let's open up and see. This is all the code for the remote control. Okay, my brand is YORK. YORK, the code is 775 until 779. Means that I have to set to 775 or 776, 777, 777, 778, and 779. See which one is suit to my model for this brand, for this yacht brand. You need 2 units of AAA battery. I want to show you how to set the code on this universal remote control to switch on my yacht aircon. Let's go. First of all, we already know that the code we want to set is 775. So we start from here. Okay, can you see this 000 here? So now we press and hold this set button. Hold it until this 000 blinking. Okay, now it's blinking. So now we press this up button. This is temperature up button. Okay, you can see the number is increased. Okay, then we hold it until come to 775. Okay, hold for a while. 600, 775, not yet. Okay, 774. Okay, you point to here again. 775, 6. Okay, now it's 777. You can see it switch on. Okay, to complete the setting, we press the OK button to save it. Now we use 777. Okay, so we try everything and see, is it the swing? Okay, manual swing or auto swing. Okay, I put it to auto swing. Okay, it's auto. Now let's try it out and see to switch off. Yeah, I can switch off. Now I switch on. Okay, from here I can set my temperature to my 24. I set it to 27. Yeah, that is enough. Okay, another thing that you want to save your aircon bill, you can set here time off. Okay, you can see the time off. I set once, 1 hour, 2 hour, you auto off, 3 hours, 4 hours, until 11 hours, 12 hours, 3 hours, 13. Oh, so many hours. 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, until 15 hours. That means you can set until 15 hours auto off or 1 hour auto off. Okay. Now switch off.